Hey, what's going on, Sean? My name's Kyle. I'm with Millsap Digital Marketing. I've been interested in your line of work. I myself, I have installed, I've refinished quite a few hardwood floors, so I do know what kind of hard work has to go into making them shine again. I wanted to reach out. I wanted to make you this video. It's going to bring you and your business value. In this video, I want to show you how you can optimize your website and drive in even more traffic than you already do. The first thing I notice about your website, it is clean. You have some really nice pictures of your work, and it's easy to navigate. I have 3 tips that I'd like to share with you to help you optimize your website. My first tip for you is about content and keywords. Now, what Google cares about is not how awesome your website looks, but what kind of content is on your page. Google typically wants to see a lot of content, and the websites with the most content are going to be the ones that are with the most authority on the topic. Google wants to give its users the best experience possible by ensuring it has everything the user needs. So I did a little bit of research to see what's going on. This is a tool that I call Ahrefs. I use it to see what kind of keywords people are searching for in your area. And these are buyer intent keywords. So I searched hardwood Fort Collins, and that I highlighted just 10 of them that are bringing in a search volume of 300 organic searches a month. Such as hardwood flooring Fort Collins, hardwood floor refinishing Fort Collins, Colorado. All these keywords should be plastered in throughout your website. So when someone clicks on your website, you need to make sure that it has everything the end user needs. That's why I recommend you need at least 1,500 to 2,000 keywords throughout this site with your buyer intent keywords. When I go to your site and I press Command A and then copy it with Command C, I take it over to wordcounter.net, plug it in here, you only have 276 words on your page. I mean, your competitor has 1,203 words on his page. Just by adding more content to your page, you'll show Google that you have more authority, and it will help you beat out your competition. Alongside the content, you have the keywords that I show you. You can spread those throughout your content. One other way to put keywords in your website is to properly save your pictures. So if I go over here to save as, this picture here is saved as all these numbers. I would save each one of these pictures with a buyer intent keyword that I showed you. My next tip is the backlinking. Backlinking is when another website is linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. Backlinks are very important. It's essentially having a popularity contest. Google is looking at other sites that are pointing at you and vouching for you, saying, hey, this is actually a really trustworthy website. They offer a great service. But not all backlinks are created equal. Google wants to see backlinks that are relevant to you and your niche, such as other hardwood floor companies linking to you or home improvement sites linking to you. You do not want backlinks coming from, say, Pizza Hut as well. You're not a food company. So the more relevant, the better. So I also use Ahrefs to check backlinks. It is a paid tool, but you can get on Google and search for free tools out there. Just type in backlink checker or keyword finder, and you can do all this stuff yourself. So what's going on with your website right now? This is your URL rating. This is the power that's going into your website. This is your domain rating. So this is the trust value going into your website. You want these numbers higher, and you want them to be as close as possible. As of right now, you have a 0 organic traffic coming in monthly, and only 4 referring domains giving you 5 backlinks. Your competitor, Footprint Floors, they have a UR rating of 4 and a DR rating of 27. So actually, in reality, this ratio is not very good. They do, however, have over 6,000 people going to their website monthly. Referring domains, 752, giving them 15,000 backlinks. So how do you get these backlinks? It's simple. You just go in to your referring domains. So each and every one of these websites is a backlink. It's their website posted in here pointing back to them, making it a backlink. So you can go in here and you can go into each and every one of these websites and post your website in it. Some of them, all you have to do is just create a profile and add your website to the profile. Some of them, you have to go to the contact us button and email the owner, and they might hit you back with a small fee to be able to advertise your website on their site. My third tip for you is citations and being number one in the Google Map Pack. So the number one spot, in my opinion, is the best spot to be in. If you're anything like me and you're trying to find something new that you have never used or somewhere that you haven't gone before, we'll say, I have hardwood floors and I've had nobody, and I don't know anybody to refinish them. I would type in hardwood floor refinishing near me, and this would pop up first. This would my eyes would go to first. So I would see Jade Floors, and I would go to them because to me that just seems like the most trustworthy person. Now, how do you beat that out? How do you get to be number one on the map pack? It's simple. It's called citations. You go in and you just get more citations than they have. So if Jade Floyd has 150 citations, go and get 200, 300 citations. And all citation is your business name, your address, and your phone number posted on directories like Yelp, Yellow Pages, White Pages throughout the internet. So I hope this was helpful for you. As a quick recap, blow your competition out of the water. You get 1,500 words on your homepage with your buyer intent keywords. Get all the backlinks that your competition has. Get them linking back to you. And finally, add your business name, your address, your phone number, all spelled the same across the internet in more directories than your competition has. If you follow these 3 tips on how, this will be how you blow your competition out of the water. So you're probably wondering, what do you do now? You have 2 options. You can take all this information that I gave you, apply it yourself, and I totally invite you to do that. It does take some time to do, worth it, but I would advise you to get started as sooner than later, because it does take some time to get your website to rank up. The sooner you rank up, the more people are going to be driven to your website, the more jobs you're going to be able to bid on, which, you know the results. You're going to get more jobs, you're going to make more money. If you do want this stuff done, but you don't have the time to do it, and you want somebody else to do it for you, you're more than welcome to give me a call back. My phone number is 480-822-9516. I'd be more than happy to hear your goals and come up with an attack plan for your website. Thank you, Sean. You have a good day.